Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Hussain from Qatar. Today I'm going to show you how we use our 3 CNC router machine for production. Okay, this is the job order I received from my engineering. This is the job order. This is the job order. This I need to cut on ACP. I prepared this in Outcome software for the machine. This is machine work. Now I am going to show you the machine, how we are running 3 machines together, and my working people helping me. This is the first machine. This is our second machine running. This is Hari Prasad, very good person from Nepal. And this is Subodh Kumar, he is also very good person. These 3 machines we are running together.